Hello there, my friends. So, I've got a new iPhone, and what I want to do is I want to transfer the. I want to import my contacts right to my new phone. So, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go to my Gmail account where my contacts were saved on my Android phone, and I'm going to try to get Gmail to download the contacts into my new iPhone. So let's see if I can do that. Okay, so let's go to settings. Let's go to mail. Let's see here. There's mail right there. Let's go to accounts, right? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to add an account. Okay, so I'm going to do that. And it's Gmail, so Google. And it says it wants to use Google to sign in, and I'm going to hit OK, continue. And then I'm going to sign into my Gmail account, but you guys don't need to see that, so I'm going to go ahead and take you off screen for a second. Great, so once you sign into your account, you'll end up seeing this screen right here. And you go to the slider next to contacts. Right here, you can move it to the on position. You can also move the mail to the on position. Your calendars, and if you have any notes there, it'll import those into your notes as well. And yeah, just hit save. So we're going to do that. Alrighty, now I'm going to go to my contacts list. Go back to the home screen. Go to contacts. I'll go to phone. Go to contacts. And I have all kinds of people that I have imported, and you don't need to see all their names and phone numbers, but you can see that there's a lot of them, and that worked. So, how about that? That's fantastic. Let's go to keypad. All right, so that took less than a minute, basically. I hope this helped you. If it did, smash like for me, because that helps me. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. Have a great day. Thanks.